So Cognizant is hiring for CTC of 4 LPA for the process executive role. So all the batches are eligible and I will tell you how to apply. The apply link is in the description of this video. Before I proceed, please watch the full video to know the exact application process and the eligibility criteria. So the qualifications are BE, BTech and MCA for medical management, bachelor's degree in nursing or any health science related field. And this is a job description. They provide highest level of customer satisfaction, strive to understand and resolve issues, queries at the first instance, maintain the business controls as per the requirement. This thing you can read about the job description. Okay, the employee status is full-time employee. The shift will be the day job. There will be no night shift, and there will be no requirement of traveling. And so that is the thing. If you want to apply, you can click on the apply now button. Then you have to click on proceed. Then what you have to do, you have to upload a resume in PDF format or in docx format. Also, you can upload, but it is recommended to upload in the PDF format. Then you have to fill up the personal information, that is first name, last name, email address, primary contact number, previously employed by Cognizant or not. You have to select no for this. And the total experience, if you're a freshers, you can click on 0. Otherwise, you can select your experience. What skills do you have? You have to provide this. That's it. The form, this is the application form basically. And in the next step, you can apply for this. If you fill up this form, you can apply for this profile for Cognizant. So this was the opportunity from Cognizant. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel to get more future updates.